a real home office, it's not badly set up, it's just overwhelmed. So instead of redesigning it completely, I'm going to show you how to bring clarity back into a space like this step by step. Hi, I'm Sasha from HomeDesignsAI, and today we're working with a very cluttered home office. The layout actually works, the L-shaped desk is practical and there's plenty of storage, but everything feels chaotic, hard to focus in and visually overwhelming. The goal here isn't to change the structure, it's to simplify, organise and turn this into a space you can actually think and work in. This is a great example of a room where the problem isn't design, it's overload. We can clearly see the desk, shelving, storage and natural light from the window. Everything is competing for attention, and that's exactly where AI can help, not by replacing everything but by restoring clarity. So normally we'd start off with the furniture remover tool, but in this case the clutter is covering the desk. So if I used it straight away, it would probably most likely remove the desk entirely. So instead I'm using Magic Redesign. So I'm just selecting the remove furniture AI design actions in this removal prompt. Keep the same room, layout and desk structure, but remove the clutter from the desk surface. This gives us a cleaner base without losing the structure. Now I go in with furniture remover tool to clean up what's left. I'm removing the stacked cardboard boxes. I use automatic selection and refine it manually to make sure only the boxes are selected. Now the room already feels lighter. I just want to go in again and remove some more items with the furniture remover tool that the Magic Redesign didn't remove. Now the biggest issue here is shelving. Open storage in a space like this creates visual noise, so I'm using the Magic Redesign tool to convert the open shelves into closed cabinets using this prompt right here. This instantly simplifies the entire wall. Next, I'll upgrade the chair using this prompt. So I want an office chair that's modern, clean, minimal design, and it needs to be comfortable. This improves both function and visual quality. Now the space is clean, but it still needs a focal point. So I'm using Precision Plus on the wall by the window. I'm selecting just that surfacing and adding subtle wooden paneling. I'm going to go with Extreme AI Intervention, using this in the additional instruction. This also works perfectly with the Magic Redesign tool, but I also wanted to show you that it works with the Precision Plus. This works really well here because the wall is now clean and uncluttered. It gives you exact placement without affecting the rest of the room, and it adds warmth without adding visual noise. Now we introduce just a few intentional elements. I'm using the Magic Redesign tool to add a minimal desk lamp, simple organiser, and not forgetting a computer setup. Nothing excessive, just enough to make the space feel usable again. Now that everything is structured properly, we can explore styles. I'll run this through the redesign option on the Magic Redesign tool. You can experiment with any design style and it will apply it to your space while keeping the structure and window scenery the same. Because the room is now simplified, each style applies cleanly. So here's the original space and here's the final result. Same layout, same desk, but a completely different feeling. Key takeaway, clarity comes before design. If you remove the noise, organise the structure, and then add intention, the space starts working for you again. If your workspace feels distracting, it's usually not because you need more, it's because you need less, done better. Start by simplifying, then build back with intention, and you'll feel the difference immediately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.